Let's tour Bel Air Village today. Specifically, welcome to History Maker Homes Townhomes. Today we're going to be in the Crockett floor plan. History Maker is a new builder in Sherman, and they are building single family homes and these great townhomes. I'm Amanda Phillips, a local realtor in Sherman, and your connection to new construction in the Sherman community. So let's walk in and take a look here. Immediately when you come in the front door, this open area actually makes it feel larger than the 1,760 square feet that this townhome is. You've got a cozy living room area, and just across from it, this flexible dining area. No walls means you can make these rooms as big or small as you want them to be. So if you want a small bistro table in a large living room, you can do that. If you want the whole thing to be a living room and eat at the peninsula, you can do that as well, because this kitchen is so well appointed. You can pick your countertops that go in here, your cabinet colors. History Maker does give you some flexibility on design, but I like that like I said, they use all the square footage. So you can see in a townhome, you would expect maybe some smaller spaces, but this kitchen has plenty of cabinet space. At Bel Air Village in Sherman, it also has natural gas, so you can do gas appliances if you prefer. As you can see here, they've chosen a gas drop-in range. Microwave goes above it. Looking back into the living room, dining area, it would be great for entertaining. And just across from the kitchen is this amazing pantry storage area with tons of shelving. While we head upstairs, I want to tell you a little bit about Bel Air Village. This is a new neighborhood in Sherman with tons of amenities. So the affordability of this townhome at $289,900 is the starting price for the Crockett floor plan with History Maker. You also get to enjoy the amenities that Bel Air Village is offering. There is a dog park in this neighborhood. There are walking paths. There is a park. Pretty soon there will be a lagoon with a beach club that you can partake in. Tons of restaurants and retail are supposed to be built in here as well. And there will eventually be a new elementary school with Sherman ISD in Bel Air Village. So all of that is a lifestyle that is being built in Bel Air, and History Maker is offering a great product at the $289,900 starting price for this townhome. Downstairs, half bath for your visiting guests. You don't have to go super white and neutral if you don't want to. It's another offering that History Maker has. You can pick your wall color. Let's head upstairs to see the 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Total, there's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. We just saw the half bath that's downstairs. When you get upstairs, it is immediate usage of space into the bedrooms. I love that there's no wasted space at the top. It's all dedicated to the bedroom space. Directly to the right is your primary bedroom. This is going to be your largest bedroom, obviously. 2 windows offer tons of natural light. You can customize with a ceiling fan if you want to. There are some flooring options that you get to pick if you start from the beginning with History Maker. They also have several of these ready to purchase. So if you are in a hurry and you need to move into something, we could get you connected with a sales representative and get you in something in less than 30 days. I like the layout of this bedroom. Plenty of space for a king-size bed or a queen-size bed, and possibly a couple of pieces of furniture. Empty rooms don't look as large as rooms with furniture in them. So believe me when I tell you that this is a spacious room. Again, History Maker put the square footage in the bedrooms, not in the hallway. So they did a great job with it. The primary bathroom is well appointed as well. You can see 2 sinks, plenty of countertop space. I'm a fan of drawers, so I love that they included drawers in this bathroom, under sink storage, and a large walk-in shower. You can pick the tile that goes in your shower surround. There are a couple of other customized options that you can add to the shower. We could go over that when we connect you with the sales representative. And just on the other side of that shower is the water closet where your toilet will be. So I love that it is separate and can be closed off from the rest of the bathroom so two people can be in there at one time. You can see there that little corner shelf is one of the upgrades that you can do for your walk-in shower. On the other side of the bathroom, like I told you, I love that they used the space where it's needed. Oversized walk-in closet for this primary bedroom. So you don't have to have a ton of furniture in the bedroom. You can plenty of hang bar space in here at the 1,760 square feet that the Crockett floor plan offers. Let's head back out into the hallway and into the other bedrooms. While we're heading that way, let me tell you that History Maker often has specials going on. Move-in specials, appliance package specials, interest rate specials. So if you're interested in keeping up with those, comment below. We'll add you to our mailing list and we'll happily keep you up to date. They let me know and I'll let you know. Into the second bedroom, immediately, a walk-in closet in a second bedroom is just kind of unheard of, especially in a townhome. But I love that they gave you that space so that your bedroom can be dedicated to your sleep space too. So you can still have a very nice sized bed in this room. You saw there's your standard light in there. You can add a ceiling fan if you want to. You can purchase the blind package, your 2-inch blinds with History Maker, where your home comes completely furnished on every window upon move-in. And we'll get back to that laundry room in just a second, but let's take a look at this last bedroom, their third bedroom. Another walk-in closet. So all 3 bedrooms have large walk-in closets, plenty of space for your shoes, anything you need to store in there, and then you can actually use the bedroom again for sleep space, or if you need a desk in there, you know, you don't have to have a dresser necessarily because you have plenty of closet space. I love that the laundry room in this townhome is upstairs. All the bedrooms are upstairs, so this full-size laundry area is upstairs as well. Full-size washer, dryer, plenty of storage over the washer and dryer. And then another full-size bath here in the hall. 2 sinks, tub shower combination. No space wasted in this townhome. If you're interested in the Crockett floor plan with History Maker Homes at Bel Air Village, I would love to connect with you and give you more information. Let me know.